Hi friends, I am here in my kitchen. I got this big box in the mail today and I am very excited to see what it is. It's really big and super heavy and I think I know what's inside, but let's find out together, okay? Cut open the tape. Damaged. So here we go, the big reveal. There's lots of bubble wrap and lots of books. Look at that. Copies of Saturdays are for Stella, my first picture book. There's my name, illustrated by Charlie Eve Ryan. It looks beautiful. I'll show you a sneak peek inside pages. It looks so beautiful and vibrant. I can't wait to share this book with you all. It comes out on August 11th. There's the back, and I'll show you the spine even. It comes out on August 11th. I hope you've pre-ordered your copy. If not, make sure to ask your library to stock it so I can share this story with you. Thanks so much for joining me today as I unboxed my first book.